I'm sure you love to play games on your computers or mobile phones. Even this boy Rohan loved playing computer games. So he had already scored 69 points and he needs 85 points to cross first level. And he needs 85 points to cross the first level, that is level 1. So how many more points does he need? We can find this answer by subtraction. So I need to subtract 69 from 85. How do I do that? 85 is 8 tens and 5 ones, and 69 is 6 tens and 9 ones. So how do I subtract these? First, I start with the ones room and subtract the digits in the ones room. So in the ones room, I have 5 and 9. I need to do 5 minus 9 because 5 is written on top. So it is 5 minus 9. Now what is 5 minus 9? I cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So I cannot subtract 9 from 5. So do you know what do we do? You know that 5 needs to borrow 1 from 8. So 5 will borrow 1 from 8 and become 15. And since 5 has taken 1 from 8, 8 will become 7. So now I have 15 minus 9. What is 15 minus 9? 15 minus 9 is 6. And over here I have 7, not 8. So 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 16. So Rohan needs 16 more points to cross level 1. Now always remember to decrease this by 1. When 5 is borrowing 1, you need to decrease this number, that is the tens digit, by 1. Now Rohan has happily crossed level 1 and he is really enjoying the game. He has already scored 85 points and he sees that he needs 190 points to cross level 2. So once again he wants to find how many more points does he need. For that he needs to subtract 85 from 190, but Rohan does not know how to subtract using 3-digit numbers. So let us find out. We need to subtract 85 from 190, that is 190 minus 85. How do we do that? Well, this subtraction is very similar to the 2-digit subtraction. Let us see how. We start with the ones room. So I start with the ones room. I have written HTO instead of hundreds, tens and ones. So in ones room, I have 0 minus 5. Notice it is 0 minus 5 and not 5 minus 0 because 0 is written on the top. So 0 minus 5. Now I cannot subtract 5 from 0 because 5 is bigger than 0. So what will I do? 0 will borrow 1 from 9. So when 0 borrows 1 from 9, it becomes 10. And what will happen to 9? Will it remain the same? No, because when you give something to your friend has one more of that thing, but you have one less. So even 9 has one less because it is given 1 to 0. So 9 will become 8. Now 10 minus 5 is 5 and 8 and 8 here. 8 minus 8 is 0 and I have 1 in the hundreds room and this hundreds room is empty, or I can say there is 0 in this room. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So the answer is 105. 105 is the difference or the answer when you subtract these two numbers. So this is how you subtract 3-digit numbers. Let us try out some more subtractions. So I have 400 minus 298. How do I subtract it? Well, first we start with the ones room. So in the ones room, I have 0 minus 8. Now I cannot subtract 8 from 0. So what will happen? This 0 needs to borrow 1 from this. But even this is 0. This number is also 0. So it has nothing to give because 0 means nothing. And when you have 0 of something, you cannot give it to me. So if I ask you for something and if you don't have that, what will you do? You will try to ask it from another friend of yours maybe. So is the case with 0. It takes the help of 4. So this 0 borrows from this 4 and becomes 10. And this 4 becomes 3 because 4 has given 1 to 0. So this becomes 10. Now what is happening here? This is 4 hundreds. Now 4 hundreds has given 1 hundreds to this 0. So 1 hundreds. 1 hundreds is also 10 tens. So I have 10 in the tens room because this means 10 tens. Now this number is 10. So this 0 can now borrow from this. So this 0 borrows 1 and becomes 10. And since this 10 has given 1 to this 0, it becomes 9. So this 0 borrows from this 0. But since it was 0, it did not have anything to give. So it borrows from 4. When it borrows from 4, 4 becomes 3 and this becomes 10. But why did it borrow? Because it had to give to this. So it gave 1 to this and this 0 becomes 10. And this 10 becomes 9. So now let us subtract. In the ones room, I have 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. In the tens room, I have 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. And in the hundreds room, I have 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 102. This is the difference of these two numbers, or the answer when we subtract these two 3-digit numbers. So let us subtract these two numbers now. I have 531 and 386. So once again, I start with the ones room. In the ones room, I have 1 minus 6. It is 1 minus 6. 1 minus 6 is not possible. So 1 will borrow from 3. 1 will become 11 and 3 will become 2. Now I can do 11 minus 6. What is 11 minus 6? 5. So I have a 5 here. Now I have 2 minus 8 in the tens room. So after ones, I move to the tens room. I keep on moving to the left. In the tens room, I have 2 minus 8. What is 2 minus 8? I cannot find out. So what will this 2 do now? Well, once again, it will borrow from left. So we always borrow from left. These numbers always borrow from left. So this 2 will borrow from this 5. When it borrows, it becomes 12. And since this 5 is giving 1, it becomes 4. So in the tens room, I have 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 4. So I have 4 here. And in the hundreds room, I have 4 minus 3. What is 4 minus 3? 1. So I have 1 here. So the answer is 145. So the difference of 531 and 386 is 145. In this case, the ones room and the tens room both had to borrow from the rooms to their left. Now, can you try out this one on your own? So let's start with the ones room. In the ones room, I have 7 minus 9. Once again, since 9 is bigger than 7, I cannot do 7 minus 9. So what does this 7 need? It needs to borrow from this number. But this number is 0. 0 does not have anything to give. But 0 is very kind. It will take from 7 and give to this 7. So it will take from the hundreds digit and give to the ones digit. So 0 will borrow 1 from this 7 to become 10, and this 7 will become 6. Now this 10 can give to 7. So this 10 gives 1 to 7, so that 7 becomes 17. And since 10 is giving 1, it becomes 9. So in the ones room, I have 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9? 8. Now let's go to the tens room, which is to the left of ones room. So what is 9 minus 0? 9 minus 0 is 9. And then from tens room, I move further left to the hundreds room. So I have 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. So the difference or the answer is 198. This is the answer when you subtract these two numbers. So this is how you subtract two 3-digit numbers, and whenever the number which is placed on top is less than this number, it needs to borrow from the number on its left. So do practice many subtractions of this type till you get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.